So, effective akong instructions, guys. May kanang,
Guys,
ana. Ayun.
tungkol to sa hangin guys.
Ha?
Tungkol to sa hangin.
It's not because of that. That's because of my distractions, effective distractions, man, guys, diba? What is it, guys? It's my effective, admitted na lang good. My distractions are
Yeah, she
effective.
wins.
So, ana.
You decide.
Ana.
You decide na.
So, Ash! Ganahan kong madaong. What should I tell you? What should you do?
What should we do, bro?
May decided na lang to da. Kasi ka na.
Decide na that
Kuan. I don't know. I know, I'll update you na lang when I can decide na.
Okay.
I'll update na lang.
Paano na siya guys?
Like, depende sa situation.
5 years later,
Look,
mag-decide na gano'n siya.
no, grabe siya sa akong decision, guys. Pero, nanay pa si siya. No, so, depende sa situation, guys. For example, like, if I need tissue, can buy me tissue.
Sure.
And then kung like I need like if I need
kasugo, sara ka kuan. Sama na lang.
ay usa ra ka sugo.
Saro.
Usa ra ka sugo. Pero ako ang i-challenge na nimo kay you do anything I'll say.
Wala. Like,
Pero depende sa ako i-say anything I'll say. So siya sa kasugo pero sa usa ka sugo na may anything
okay.
or anything. What I say?
Okay.
Ay, pero I cannot do that masad guys. I feel like may tinatapakan akong tao pag ganyan. Ha?
Hindi masago, so it's okay.
Yeah.
It's your decision, bro.
I'm not that harsh. Pero, guys, comment down below, guys. What? Sama na akong buhaton, guys. I cannot do guys. Sige, suggest mo, guys. Suggest. Comment down below. Suggest. Ganahan kong magdaog. Ganahan to kong ma-feel at the same time. Yung kapaluwag sa ako. Dapat na ako advantage, guys, no? Kaya ako may mag-decide. Yan niya ang disadvantage kay syempre siya may mag-take sa consequence. Pero at this point, magbalik. I can do the consequence lang, guys. Kaya I cannot decide. Pero, I'll make sure to decide, guys. Mag-search ko sa Google on ako na i-meta AI, i-chat, i-CC, i-Gemini.
Ito na AI ganyan.
Pero ang saman doon.
Anything. I'll do anything. I'll do anything. Wow.
Pero, feel, murag abusar man sana, guys. Diba?
Number one.
One na. Diba mo sa nangawan? Like, ako pa ikong tubig. Oo nga.
Anything lang sa
Sa may nindot ipabuhat, guys. So, man. I don't know. I don't know. Wala Wala to ko yung like, if you can go through my mind,
See you next.
like, I'm so good, guys, no? I'm so good.
Yeah, that's why it's like.
I'm good unta, pero ako pagkagudsot kay tigapon good. What if tangan ako naging umo pa naman. Masama na ako pagbuhat, di ba ako? Musad ning, hindi ko ganag to or dare, kay kung dare ilang piliyon. Wow, kabalo sa ko yung dare nila. So what? Come on. Ano ba? Ano ba kasi, guys? I don't know.
I don't know, guys.
Taman. Nakaway mo ba?
Pero daon. Design.
Pagkagpapildi na lang sa
Simple ka lang. Simple.
kuan.
What do you want?
Airport. Buy me an airport. May narwas ako kuan. Nasa ko. Understanding. Magtukod kong airport. Ayun sa manoy. Saba.
Okay. Utang mo sa tunat. I don't know.
Naging mumulto na ako dito, guys. Hindi ko kasi alam. Wait lang, I need to read your mind. If ever na kay suggestion drop.
Basta mo lang.
Dog walking.